Well, the trial continued today in the case of former professional guardian Rebecca Furley, accused of contributing to the death of a man under her care. I-Team investigator Adam Mulser has been covering this case since it started more than 3 years ago, and he joins us now live from the Hillsborough County Courthouse with the very latest. Adam?
Well, Wendy, testimony wrapped up about an hour ago, and both the prosecution and defense rested their cases after jurors had heard from about a dozen witnesses. Now, Rebecca Furley herself did not take the stand in her own defense. She is charged with aggravated abuse of an elderly person and neglect of an elderly person. Those are both felonies. Furley was appointed by a judge to be Stephen Stryker's guardian in 2018 after he was Baker acted and ended up in an Orlando hospital. Investigators say Furley ordered his feeding tube to be capped and requested a do not resuscitate order against his wishes while he was a patient at St. Joseph's Hospital in May of 2019. Records show he choked to death 5 days later. Several experts testified for the defense today about Stryker's medical, psychological, and behavioral problems that led to the guardianship and made it difficult for Furley to find a place for him to live. Stryker was a convicted sex offender who pleaded guilty to charges he exposed himself in 2000 while intoxicated. That meant nursing homes wouldn't take him and assisted living facilities couldn't care for him. Several experts today testified about Stryker's poor health prognosis shortly before his death.
He was just a sick man, and it was just a question of time for this guy to probably have expired naturally.
What was the likelihood, feeding tube or no feeding tube, of a good outcome for Mr. Stryker?
Next to none.
Now, the jury will be back here at 8:30 tomorrow to begin their deliberations after getting their jury instructions and hearing those closing arguments. Live from the Hillsborough County Courthouse, I'm I-Team investigator Adam Mulser taking action for you.